Alright, welcome to Performance Unlimited. What we have for you today on the dyno stand happens to be our 302 with 315 horsepower engine package. This customer happened to choose the engine to be painted blue with the blue Taylor ignition wires. Go over the engine a little bit in detail. We start off with a late model 302 factory roller block. We need the 302 rotating assembly, the comp cams custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft. This engine features the Edelbrock aluminum E-Street cylinder heads and Edelbrock Performer intake. It's got the Edelbrock 750 CFM carburetor on there with the electric choke and MSD distributor. Did a few warm-up tests on the dyno. This thing's making some excellent power. We'll take you there now, and if there's anything we can help you with, check us out on the web, proformanceunlimited.com, or feel free to give us a call, 800-267-3940. Enjoy.